Cherokee 7702 November, Toledo approach, say request.
Toledo approach, Cherokee 02 November, just departed Bluffton 507, requesting VFR flight following to Dayton International, Kilo Delta Alpha Yankee, cruising altitude 4,500.
From 7702 November, not picking you up on radar. Say altitude passing.
Climbing through 2,700 for 4,500, 02 November.
Roger.
Good, I'm glad you got a good rest. We're almost there, girls. We're gonna come in to land.
Dayton Tower, Cherokee 02 November, 6 mile final, straight in for 24 left.
Cherokee 02 November, roger. 24 left, clear land.
Clear to land, 24 left, 02 November.
There's the parking lot, starting to get filled with people. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Landing on 24 left.
Traffic not available. Very nice landing. Look at that big one! Traffic not available.
Very nice landing. Great job, Dad. Oh, look at that big one, Scarlett says. Look at that big boy.
That one is a huge rocket. I thought it was kind of like something color black.
02 November, right turn, taxiway Delta. You're going to go through the ramp on the other side of the Alpha concourse. You'll see some GA parking. Go ahead and park right there.
Right turn on Delta through the ramp. Look for the GA parking, 02 November.
Thank you, Lord. Okay.
So we're looking for Alpha 11.
Yeah.
So I see Alpha 26.
I can see all your buttons.
810, 812. This must be the even, so the opposite must be on, the odd must be on the opposite side.
Okay, so we need to go around.
Okay.
Yeah, follow the lines there. Doing good. Hey, sit back in your seats, please, until we're all the way parked. Keep your seatbelts fastened and your trays in the upright position.
I saw Mom do that.
Girls, this is so cool. How awesome is that? Let the fun and the pull-ups begin.
I'm totally not thinking about the pull-ups. In every aviation movie, what do they say?
Fly the plane.
Pull up, pull up.
Turning though. There you go.
I can't believe they can. Mom,
Yeah, bud.
we're at the Dayton Air.
Looks good, Dad, right there.
Okay, we're gonna shut her down.
All right.
Avionics off.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18. One more. Oh, it's going for 21. Get it, get it, get it. Record for the day. Woo, woo, woo. Super mom.
Big difference landing on this one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Not really. Just looks it.
Looks like it turns into sky up there, or water.
Launches, huh?
Traffic, Sierra,
Oh,
the left
yeah.
downwind for runway.
Pound the rock.
Oh. Oh yeah, good job, girls.
Nice.
Glide it, glide it. Oh boy.
Yeah, it was not the best.
Got a little wiggly wonky. That's all right. Oh, good job, Lydia. I'm glad you made a picture. You look so funny, Daddy.
Here comes a plane, girl. It's gonna land.
Look, girls, here it comes.
Oh, I see it. Oh no, it's heading right toward us.
No, he's gonna land right beside us over here on this runway. You see him coming in?
You wanna watch him?
He's gonna come land. Oh, don't do it, little birdie.
Lydia, get on my
Sit,
side.
look out the window this way. There he goes. Wave. Look like just two of them in there. Thank you for a beautiful, wonderful flight, Dad. That was fun.
Welcome.
I love this time of night. Love it.